Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna try making a corset completely from scratch. First, we transfer the pattern onto paper and then onto the fabric. Just a reminder, I'm not a professional seamstress and I'm definitely not an expert. I simply wanted to challenge myself and make this corset with my own hands. A while ago, I discovered a YouTube channel called Fancy Something, where the creator showed how to make a corset like this. It inspired me to give it a try myself. I'll leave links to the channel and the original video in the description below. At a thrift store, I found a skirt with the most beautiful pattern, and I immediately knew it would be perfect for making this corset. So first, I took the skirt apart, pressed the fabric flat with an iron, and then transferred the pattern onto it. Next, all of the fabric pieces need to be reinforced with fusible interfacing. Next, I sewed all the pieces together, added a decorative lace trim, and then joined the outer fabric to the lining. After that, I gave everything a good press, sewed the boning channels, and inserted the boning to give the corset its structure. Next, I use bias tape to neatly finish the bottom edge of the corset. The last step was adding the eyelets, lacing up the corset, and finally getting to enjoy the finished piece. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. And now, let's take a look at the finished corset.